Hey guys, oh, not him again. Yep, it's me, Barry, with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today we're going to be showing off the work I did on a unit out of a 1969 Roadrunner. Is just a standard stock AM/FM radio. A customer has requested the modern FM conversion and also the Bluetooth and USB features, and he's also requested my super cool master input-output box. This has your aux input here, and it's got your 4-channel pre-outs and also a subwoofer output. So that customer requested that as well. Let's go ahead and turn this radio on and make sure everything works.
Returns all.
Okay, I do have it set to FM at the moment, and to save time and to avoid copyright nails, I'm just going to run down the dial with all the presets. I've got them all preset to stations in my area. So let's.
Fine, here's 10.
Pocket and stop.
Either way, Roger's got you.
Okay, let's flip it over to AM. We get one strong station in my area. AM.
Swing guys, meaning the neo-Nazis, want a white
Okay, there's our
ethno-state.
strong AM
Their
station.
goals are bad. A black ethno-state.
Okay, so let's turn it off and back on and put it back on FM.
Mention the Sean Hannity
Going to demonstrate our virtual
You get a
balance and fader
free
functions. We
business
need
tax
these
consultant
in the
from
picture.
1-800 accountant.
Okay, I'm going to activate our virtual fader. Give our tone control 2 turns upwards.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. So now this same control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance.
Locally owned and
Notice that little noise.
We built our business on
That little-
principles of dedication and honesty.
That lets you know that you're in the center of the field, since you don't have my meters when you're adjusting. Okay, I'm going to stop adjusting and let it time out.
Fader set.
Fader set. Okay, let's do the balance adjustment. Same procedure, except we turn this control twice downwards.
Or visit yavapigas.com. Balance adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting the left-right speaker balance.
From the news 1490. Tomorrow's agenda
Okay, I'm
for
gonna
the
let it
Chino
time out.
Valley Town Council meeting includes
Balance is set. Okay, now let's, I would say let's try the 8-track, but this one doesn't have an 8-track, so let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, going to give my volume control 2 turns in the direction of higher volume to put the Bluetooth into pairing mode.
25 people. If you're
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so she says Bluetooth ready to pair, and so the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. As you guys know, I don't do all that on the demo videos. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating that it's working properly. Let's try the USB real quick. I got my radio commercial right here.
Tell a story, juggle, tell jokes, anything you could do that could be.
Okay, unplug that. Radio comes right back. The only thing left to check is the aux input on the box, so we're just going to feed a quick signal into that, just very briefly, just long enough to make it switch away from radio mode. Here we go.
For those who are out on the road, stop in today and see our full lineup of Michelin tires. For whatever you drive.
Oh, I'm using the wrong plug. Let's try that. Try that again. I got you. Oh, this job is fun sometimes. Okay, let's get rid of some of this garbage here. Let's get rid of this that we're not using. Okay, now this time we're actually plugging a signal into the aux input. Okay, that's basically a silent signal out of the human hearing range, just to put the radio out of radio mode into the aux mode. So now that we've removed the aux signal, it's going to take 20 seconds for the radio to come back. So we'll just wait for that to happen. And there's our radio comeback. So that means the aux function's working properly. Lady just said pairing not completed, indicating that the Bluetooth did not pair. And let's check the dial light and make sure that's working. Okay. Okay, you can't see it, but I can. It's just barely peeking through. There's unfortunately no openings on the radio that is going to allow that light to shine through. So you're just going to take my word for it. And the radio is now ready to go, just for fun. Just wanted to turn it on one last time, just for fun. Okay, that's it for that radio. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your ancient classic car AM radio. We can have Bluetooth, USB, aux input, preamp outputs, and some customers are beginning to request the HD function, which there's no danger of FM going all digital anytime soon. AM, there is a threat of that, but not on FM. FM's not going to be mandatory digital probably within our lifetime, so I don't think there's anything to worry about in that respect. So, thanks for watching and listening. My website is in the description below, and my phone number for paying, repair, or conversion work only, not to ask for belts, parts, or to see if I have a certain radio for sale. I don't sell stuff. My number is 928-533-9666. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and thank you, Mike, for your business from Danville, California. See you guys next time.